Checking emails 20 times a day, hoping you don't miss a paying client. I automated this completely. Now AI reads my emails and pings me back on Slack, only when someone wants to buy. I'm Sham from AI Workflows Automation. Today I will show you how I built this AI powered lead detection system that reads your contact form or any lead from on your websites and identify buyers and alerts your team on Slack. It can be integrated any other app, but for this video, I am using Slack for notification. I will guide you how to connect Gmail to this n8n and how to classify emails using AI and how to send instant notification to your sales team. Let's dive in and I will explain everything. So first of all, this is my website and I just submitted 3 test forms for the sake of this video, and you can see here these are 3 entries with different purchase intent. Let me quickly open these 3 and show you. Okay, so hi, I own a small e-commerce store and these 3 has different intent. Okay, so our AI classify system will classify these 3 emails which I have received on my email from my website contact form. It can be lead form, it can be any form, booking form, whatever it is. It's depend on your website. Okay, so you can see these 3 are in my Gmail inbox. Let's move on our automation workflow. So the first node is schedule trigger. It will trigger and get emails from our Gmail app. Okay, let me open this. We can set it interval, we can do in seconds, minutes, hour, week, month, but for the now it should be in minute. We can edit in after 5 minutes. Okay, and then the next node is our get contact from emails. These are the emails which we are checking about. Okay, so the first step is we need to connect our credentials with Gmail account, but I have already connected. It's very simple. You can simply this button create new credential and press this button sign in with Google and it will be connected within 2 to 3 seconds automatically. If you need more helps, you can open this n8n official docs link and it will guide you step by step. Okay, so let's move over next step. Okay, so first is we need to correct credentials and then we need to select resource. We will select message, we need messages, and then operation is get many because we need to get all the emails which is unread. So that's why we have to select get many. If we select get, it will fetch only one email. Okay, then keep it toggle off and I set limit 3, you can set limit 5 or 10. It's depend on you. Okay, and keep this toggle simplify on, it will simplify all the extra data. And then we need to add 2 filters. Okay, uh, the filter will be changed, it's according to our contact form, according to our website. For my case, I have just added 2 filter. First is subject new contact form entry is unread. So let me show you. See, this is my subject new entry contact form is unread. So my agent always search using this query. Okay, the second filter is read status unread, so it should always fetch those emails which is unread. Okay, so let me run all the steps along with showing you, it will be best. First of all, just trigger uh, execute this flow. Okay, it's executed and the next step is get contact from emails. Okay, I have mistakenly selected the Gmail account number 2, but it's not configured. Just like this one. Okay, and press the execute step. See, it's gave me 3 output, 3 emails which is unread here. Okay, let's move to our next step, which is classify email intent. This node will classify the email intent. If the email intent is purchase, it will give output. Okay, this is AI node. First of all, let me just quickly show you. We need to add this OpenAI model because it's using OpenAI API to process the email, identify the email, and give output. Okay, you also need to add your OpenAI API key. It's also very simple. You just need to log into your OpenAI platform account, and that's pretty straightforward. You can do it easily. If you need help, you can simply this click this open docs, and here everything is mentioned step by step. This is very simple and straightforward. You can do it. Okay, and let's get back to our note. And then after connection, you need to select your model. You can select any model, it will work, but in my case I just selected ChatGPT 4.1 mini. Okay, and then open this node. We need to select source prompt is defined below, and we have just edit this prompt. Classify this email into one category, reply with only the category name. Okay, it will categorize our email and give output. If you know, as you notice, we have three items, but in prompt it's showing one. It's automatically loop over three items one by one, so we don't need to add any loop functionality here. Okay, and else everything keeps same, and press the execute button. You will see the output. See, it's gave three output. We have three submissions on our website. First is purchase intent, second is partnership, third is general inquiry. This AI automatically reads this email intent and give the intent. Okay, but we only focus on our purchase intent and ignore the other intents. Okay. Okay, next step is purchase filter intent. Okay, this is if node. In this node we only filtering our purchase intent emails because we only need purchase intent emails, and process accordingly. I just simply add this expression. Okay, purchase intent is equal to, sorry, expression intent is equal to purchase intent. When it's equals to this one, our intent, it's only give to our true response. And you can see there are two branches, one true, second false, and our according to our condition it's gave in our true response, and we proceed accordingly. And if you see here, there is two routes, true and false. False will be ignored, and on true routes we will extract lead details. Okay, so here I have added few categories. First category is the first field is category, second is snippet, and third is form, and fourth is subject email ID. I have mapped these details from this node. Okay, because we need these details to send to our cell team. So you don't need to worry about this. I will give this full n8n JSON template, and you can simply import it to your n8n. So you don't need to remember each and everything. Okay, so just press execute step. See, it's give me the output. Category purchase intent, name Ali Raza, email this one, and okay, comment. The message is, hi, I own a small e-commerce store and I am spending 4 to 5 hours daily on manual tasks like order processing and inventory update. Okay, so I want it. So it's purchase intent, right? Let's move to our next step. We have successfully classified the purchase intent email. Now it's time to send it to our sales team. For sales team, I have just created Slack account. See, and in Slack account I have made the channel for sales team who will be managing my all the leads. Okay, so this is our Slack node. We need to connect our sale account Slack account, and it's same as very easy to connect. You just need simple press this connect my account, and it's pretty straightforward, same as I told you before. If you need detailed documentation, you can simply follow this docs, but it's very easy. It will be connected within 4 to 5 seconds. Okay, so after connecting Slack account, we need to select resource message, operation send, because we are going to send this message, and send message to where we are going to channel, not on user, because we have created channel for sales team which is called leads. See, select channel, and here simple text message we need to s- select. Message type is simple text message. Okay, we can send in blogs attachments, but we don't need it. Okay, and this is message. Let me open it. I just edit formatted this template to for my sales team, which is very simple. On the top, which is new lead alert from email subject message preview, and respond as soon as possible hot lead, and you can see preview here as well. Okay, so I have added this option because if we toggle on, it will show a n8n link here in your message. So I just disabled this one and press execute step. It will send the notification on Slack. See, I have received this notification, new lead alert from AI workflow automation. Okay, subject new contact form entry, and message preview is name Ali Raza, and he want the automation for his e-commerce store. Okay, so now our sales team quickly know we have a potential customer. We should respond quickly without manually reading the emails from in our inbox. The second note is mark a message as read, because we are fetching every 5 minutes emails. If we don't mark the read email is read, it will process again and again. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, let me refresh it. Sorry, I have to run this. Okay, it's ran successfully, and it should now mark as read. See, it's marked as read, and two other are same as, because we only classified our uh, potential customer, or that customer intent is purchase. So it's very useful. You can manage, you can configure according to your need. Now I will run full workflow in single click. So I am going again mark as unread, and this is my Slack channel. Let me execute the workflow. See, it's executing automatically, classifying, and then that's it. It's ran successfully. If I go to my Slack, see, I have received new message, and it should mark as read here as well. Let me refresh it. Boom, it's mark as read. That's it. We just built an AI system that catches hot leads while we sleep. Hit subscribe for more automation tutorial every week. Full written guide with screenshot is on my website in blog section with screenshot. If you need help, if you have any question, feel free to drop a comment. Thanks. See you in the next.